Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have, as you can see, a full face of foundation on, and I already primed. I will put in the description what I used, so keep an eye out for that. I'm in love with this foundation, just saying. So what we are going to be going into next is some concealer. We are going to be going into the Diorskin Forever Concealer today, and just making the most of it. You know, we want to conceal this little face right here, make it shine bright, and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to be applying it to the places I would like to highlight on my face. I have like this pimple coming in and I'm just not happy about it. It's, we're not here for it. It needs to go. Like, get out my face, please. Thank you. So we're just going to blend this in. Oh, I didn't put on my nose. Hello. So we're just going to put a little bit on our nose. So I was like, so I have to be going to like this family thing today. And I was like, how cool would it be to like film my look for it, you know? Gives me another video. Okay, so we're going to be going in with the Wet n Wild contour stick. And I'm just going to be applying this on my forehead, cheeks, nose, and jaw. So to blend this out, I'm going to be using a small blender. I don't know why, but like cream contour is just so much easier to like live my life. I swear, like it's just so much easier to blend out. I feel like it just comes out nicer. I mean, that's just a personal preference. But I don't know, I just love it. And especially this contour. Oh my gosh. Wet n Wild is just killing it. Now that we don't look as pasty as we did before, oh my god, I'm looking like Casper the Ghost. It's not a cute thing, but you know what? Summer is coming. It's gonna help me. Can you come a little faster, please? But yes, so next we're going to jump into some bronzer, you know, just to give the face a little bit more color. So I'm going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Tan-Tastic bronzer. Looks like this. And we're just going to be applying this all over my face. No, I'm just kidding. We're just going to be applying this basically like on the contour, you know, just give it a little bit more of an edge. So I'm going to be using my Omega brush. Okay, we're done with that. So next I'm going to be doing some blush, you know, make a little blush on it, do a little doll-like look, you know, looking cute. So I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush. And this one's actually one of my favorites because it has like the shimmer in it and it is so pretty. So we're just going to be using this on this face. And I'm going in with a blush brush and just applying that. And it just adds like a nice shimmer, and especially when you put like a highlight on top of that, girl, you could blind someone with it. I'm telling you, it is so pretty. And I just like to put a little bit on my forehead, on my chin a little bit, you know, give it more of like a natural type of look, and I just love it. Okay, we're done with that. We're done. We can now move on to, as I always say, and probably will continue saying in all of my videos, my favorite part, highlights. So for today we have one of my personal favorites, the Becca / Jaclyn Hill collab highlighter, and it is in the color Champagne Pop. And I'm absolutely obsessed. This is like my go-to one, TBH. I use this for school a lot, and it looks like this. It's so cute, it has a little champagne in it. And I'm just going to be using a fan brush today, actually. So I'm going to be using a fan brush and just jumping right into this. Look at that. Oh, girl, we're going to blind someone today. So we're just going to be applying that. So beautiful. Oh my god, my little baby hairs. Put my hair in a braid today, which I rarely do, and I just love how it looks. It looks so cute. And it's just, ooh, the flyaways, I can't with it. I can't. And I like put, I don't know, I put something in my hair to like keep it down, and it's just not working for me. So we're just going to apply a little bit on our nose. And our cupid's bow, of course, you know. Want to make it shine bright. So for today for eyes, I want to do like a red look, kind of like a smoky eye type of thing. We're going to jump into the James Charles palette, and we're just going to use that today. So let's get right to this. Oh, we have to prime our eyes. I always forget this step, people. Oh my god. So I'm just going to use my regular concealer because I can't find my eye primer, and yeah. So just going to put a little bit of that on our eyelids. And we're just going to blend it out with our blender. Okay, now that we are all concealed, we can now move on. So I'm thinking for today, since we are doing a red look, I want to put like a base down. So I'm grabbing my fluffy brush, and we are going to jump into this beautiful shade up here. And just kind of laying that down for a base, just to blend out the concealer a little bit better. So now that we have laid that on, I am now jumping in. I'm just going to jump right into it. We're just going to jump right into this beautiful red color here. And I'm going to be applying this on my crease. Okay, so now that that is nicely laid down, we can now move into this beautiful orangey red shade here, just to kind of give it a nice little pop of color. Well, it's really just to blend it out a little bit more, but lightening it up on the top part. I just want to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so our next step, it's a little risky, but we're going to add this black color here to the outer corner of our eye, just to give it a little bit of a smoked out look. Okay, so once that is laid down, we can now move on to the glitter part. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick little cut crease, and I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star concealer in CO. And it's like literally just white, and I just feel like it gives such a nice canvas space kind of thing to add the nice little glitter, you know, a little shimmer in there. It makes the day brighter, it shines up my day, all of that good stuff. So I'm just gonna be using a flat brush and just applying it on the corner. Okay, so we are all concealed, and I'm just going to be using this beautiful, thank you, we appreciate that. So I'm going to be using this beautiful gold color here, and it's like this light gold, and I think it's gonna look so bomb on this look. So we're just gonna be using a flat brush and just going right in. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Okay. Okay, So we are now done with the eyeshadow part. So I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and I'm just going to be applying this red shade here on the waterline of our eye. And then I'm going to be using the other side of this brush to do my inner corner. So I'm going to be jumping into this lighter gold shade here and just applying that. Okay, so now that we are done with that, I'm just going to go apply really quickly some lashes and eyeliner, and I will be right back. So the lashes are applied, the eye look came out beautiful. So all that is left to do is some spray and some lips. I'm going to be going in with Kylie Jenner's liquid lipstick in the shade The After Party, and I'm also going to be putting on a lip topper by Kylie Jenner, and this is in the shade Shots. So first we are going to be applying this. Okay. So that applied beautifully. I love it. It's so vibrant. Like, it's so pretty. And then we're going to be applying this. So this is like a red shade with some gold in it. And I think it's going to look really pretty, especially with the gold eye look. So I don't want to put a lot on. I'm just putting a little. And we're just going to rub that in. And I'm just going to be taking my finger. It's clean. And I'm just going to pat it in. And that is the final look. I think this look came out so pretty. I'm absolutely obsessed. And yeah. So I literally have to go in like 2 minutes. So I'm just going to do the outro. And hold on, we have to spray my face. So I'm going to be using the Farsali 24 Karat Gold Mist. And I feel expensive. So yeah, this is the look. It came out nice. It came out dewy. The highlights on point. Eyes are looking snatched. And yeah. So I hope you guys really, really love this video. I'm in love with it. I loved filming this video. Make sure to like and comment. Make sure to subscribe. So I will be coming back with a video very soon. And yeah. Bye guys.